Hello everybody, this is Mark Schreier from Century 21 American Homes Real Estate, and today we're going to talk about solar panels attached to a property. If you are a seller and you have bought the solar panels and they're relatively, I'd say within under 10 years old, which most of them are, then it is a plus. As long as you paid off the lease on the panels and they're not an eyesore and everything is working properly and the roof under the solar panels has been replaced probably right before you put the panels on, then that's definitely a plus for the sale and you probably get a little more money on your return. However, if they are a lease, then the lease basically means lease equals lien. As long as you own those panels, or as long as those panels are on your property, they're attached to your roof with a lien on the property, which in some instances can be problematic. So make sure you as a buyer and you as a seller know moving forward whether you own them or if they're leased from the company. And that can be very easily solved by just asking for the paperwork that's attached to those particular solar panels. I hope this helped. If you have any other questions, please contact me. This is Mark Schreier.